credit report looking good, scores up literally within 30 to 60 days. You will see huge, major score increases.
Guys, we haven't done a credit talk video in such a long time. We are super pumped because in today's video, we're going to teach you 3 ways how to boost your score up to 100 points in 30 days, guys. I'm super excited. Me and Tina has a lot of sauce to give you guys, and we're going to dive straight in because it's a lot to unpack. All right.
Yeah.
So first, guys, the first rule of thumb that we're going to talk about is a company called Boom. Okay, so Boom is a company that allows you to boost your score using rent. Now, I don't know if you guys have heard, but Donald Trump is basically going to war with FICO right now and
Yeah.
basically allowing all government issued loans to consider applications under the Vantage scoring system. So Vantage and FICO is like Apple and Android, so
Yeah.
they are competitors. And Vantage shows your is a little bit more applicable to your rental history versus FICO. FICO don't show any of your rental history. And it's really a disservice because your rent is one of the major components of like your track history, your credit
Right.
history, and how well you operate in your finances. So for you not to be able to apply that to your credit is really a disservice through and through. So Boom is a company that allows you to use your rental history to actually get applied to your credit report, and it works with all 3 credit bureaus, shows you what is your most recent rent, show the amount, they report the history, and your score goes up accordingly. I think that this is a great tool for anyone that is currently renting and not actually reaching their credit goals in terms
Mhm.
of credit building. What you think about Boom, sis?
Listen, Boom is it. It's the boom. Like I love it. It has the right name and everything. I'm telling you, because for $5 a month, you can have them reporting your rent. Like you can literally put that $5 on auto pay you, and they're going to report your rent. Now, the cool thing about them is they literally report within 24 hours.
Oh
Now,
wow.
if you want to get a little back payment history, you can pay like a $25. And I think this is like a one-time fee where they'll go back and report your rent up to 24 months. That gives you longevity and a window so the creditors can see what your ability to make payments over time is. I mean, like I've seen scores go up to 60 points just at entry of this account showing up on your credit report. So
Oh
Boom
wow.
is just that. Boom.
Thumbs up. Boom. All right.
Yeah.
I like that. I like that.
Mhm.
The name of this company. This is super interesting. But yeah, guys, this is a really good option for anyone that's looking to get a score increase using their rental history. Now, the second is going to be secure loans, right?
As before we get started, if you are looking to get credit dispute educated, go over to our Dispute Champs Academy at disputechamps.org where you will get trained like a pro so you can dispute like a pro.
What I love about secure loans is that it allows you to build relationships with the institution. Now, I always tell my audience to build relationships with institutions that give you upper mobility, meaning
For
they have
mobility. Right.
access to different types of loan products. They have access to car loans, mortgages, business loans, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Because once you start the relationship with them, they're a little bit more lenient to actually give you products, even though your credit profile is not as strong as it needs to be.
Now you have some banks that, I mean, honestly, they be hating because you got Chase, Bank of America, and Capital One that don't even offer secured loans, Q. And I know you know that, right? So
Yeah, they
my
don't.
theory is that they don't offer the secured loans because they know that when you come in to get a secured loan, you're doing it so you can boost your credit. You might have thin credit or you might just have bad credit and you need to rebuild. So, of
Yeah,
course, banks make the bulk of their money from people who do have bad credit.
yeah.
So, to me, in my opinion, this is why these big banks don't offer those secured loans. Now, let me give you guys a secure loan hack, right? So let's say you have $1,000, right? You go to Navy Federal, and by the way, pro tip now, credit unions are the best places to go for your secured loans. You got Navy Federal and so on. You know all those credit unions out there. So let me give you this hack. You have $1,000, right? And Q, you know I'm one for examples. I didn't make a slide this time, y'all, so you don't have to
Uh-huh.
worry about that. So
Uh-huh.
All right, let me get to it. You have $1,000, right? You go into your credit union or your bank to apply for the secured loan. This is what you do. You get the secured loan for $500. You take the other $500 and you just put it away. In 30 days, once the $500 secure loan shows up on your credit account, literally like the day it shows up on there, then go ahead, call the bank or go to the bank, however you pay it, and pay off 90% of that secured loan. Once you do that, your scores, you're going to get 2 score increases within that time just from doing that. And you're going to look really good with the bank. And
Come on
then
now.
with the other 10% that you're going to owe on the loan, you're going to take that and you're going to put it on auto draft and pay it like a Netflix bill, baby, because it's going to be real low. And you're going to make sure, try to put it for at least like a 12 months. So that way it establishes more payment history and you're good. You'll be able to go back to that bank even before you're done paying that secured loan off most of the time, because your credit scores will have went up and you look really good with that bank. All right. So you'll be able to use that bank to get anything as long as, your credit reports are good and you're doing the right thing by the bank with the secured loan. Don't forget to use auto draft, guys. I mean, you got Netflix, all the other stuff that, the apps that we buy that are on auto draft that you don't even notice. If you get like a low bill, like what I'm just talking about here, you're not going to even notice that. And you're going to be building your ability to make payments over time, credit report looking good, scores up, literally within 30 to 60 days. You will see huge major score increases from these 2 things that we told you so far.
Awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Hey guys, that was fire. Like, man, I need to put that in one of my courses or something, because that
Okay.
was, yeah, that's a good tip. That's a really
Yeah.
good tip,
Yeah.
because paying it off that fast boosts your credibility almost instantly, and it boosts your credit profile.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and paying it off, paying a little 10% off over time is going to give you the payment history that's needed to build the strength of that profile. Guys, you can't go
Yep.
wrong with that. Man, that was a good one, sis. Seriously, that was
Yeah.
really good.
Yeah. And so the last one, guys, that we have to show now, let me share my screen. Y'all know it takes me a minute. So this one, guys, this one is called Kovo. Kovo installment loans. Now, you're almost instantly approved. And get this, y'all know I'm a stickler for credit reporting. Kovo not only reports to TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, but it reports to my little baby, Innovis, which carries about 50% of whatever is on your credit report with the major 3 credit bureaus. Don't forget about Innovis, especially, guys, if you are like a business owner, but we won't get into that. So with Kovo, you can apply without hurting your credit. They're going to report to all 4 bureaus, set you up on payments for like $10 a month. Like I said, put it on auto draft like Netflix for 24 months. This is what you're going to do as like a foundation for your credit. It's going to build longevity, 24-month payment history, $10 a month on auto draft. Literally, that's it, guys. Go to Kovo, check them out. They have a great deal. And the other thing that I like about Kovo, guys, is check this out. If you are late, they never report you late.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I'm like, drop the mic, like, because guys, how Self did us when they were Self lender. I'm not even gonna get into that, but how they came out as companies that for people with bad credit that help you build your credit. Blase. But like if you miss one payment, they dinged you harder and fought you harder, to get that removed. So it's like, okay, are you for the people or for the business? I mean, I understand the business side of it, but yeah, they really dinged us and a couple of other companies like that. But this one that won't report your late payment, that's golden, guys. I mean, not saying that you should be making late payments, but just if something happens, like if
Right,
anything could happen. So I
right,
mean, this is where it's at, and it's $10 a month. You're paying that every month with the apps that you got.
right.
Yeah,
No, that's fire. That's
see,
fire.
look at it.
Yeah, that's fire. Guys,
Yeah,
these are like 3 of the strongest ways to boost your score. Now, if you have negative stuff on your credit report, any collections, charge-offs, late payments, medical bills, you name it, guys, go to mycreditapproved.com. If you want to
yeah,
do it yourself, go to mycreditapproved.com. It is the fastest and the cheapest way to get all them items removed. Now, if you don't have time, if you just want a professional to do it, you don't have the confidence to actually repair your own credit, guys, hit up Tina Talks Credit. Go to her YouTube channel, follow her rabbit hole, and set up a time for her and her staff to actually get those things resolved. She is the best credit specialist in the country. I stamp that. I know them all, and no one is on her level, guys, including me. This is my mentor, and like she also has a course that she just released, and it's a full breakdown. And if you are looking to get into credit repair yourself, or if you're looking to fix your own family credit, or if you're looking to start a business, go to Tina Talks Credit's channel and actually go down the rabbit hole, click her links in her descriptions, and actually sign up for her course. Guys, she is the best in the country. You can't go wrong, guys.
Well, thank you. I appreciate those kind words.
No problem, no problem. It's the truth. It's really the truth, guys. Leave it in the comment section if you want us to send you more lists like this. We have a lot of lists of credit building products similar to these. Leave it in the comment section and we will send you a personalized link of different products like this for you to build your credit fast, guys.
Yes.
Leave it in the comment section and leave the comment credit build. Credit build. If you leave it in the comment section, I will send you a personalized link with a list of credit building tools that you can use for you to build credit just like this. But guys, if you do all this within 30 days, guys, your credit could be upwards of between 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, up to 100 points increase in 30 days just off using these tools. These are some very good tools. And these are all
guys. Yeah, we're all about that credit building. And also, guys, I just want to add that you can call us, book an appointment to set up like because I don't know about your company, Q, but we do like a free consultation where we'll set you up just by looking at your credit on a plan for you to build your credit. And that's like a custom thing. So that's out there too as well, guys.
Yeah, absolutely. You can set up a free consultation with me or Miss Tina, and we will go over everything step by step to get you guys back on track. But guys, I know a lot of people are in the need of credit. I've looking over the research and seen that we are in the largest credit card debt in U.S. history. So I want to make this video to actually bring some value to the credit space because I definitely know the industry needs it. Before we get out, did you have anything else to say, Ms. Turner?
When you just said that about us being in large credit card debt, I just like had this thought, like inflation is crazy and it's literally not going anywhere, right?
Yeah.
And then all you see on TV and everywhere is them advertising credit. Like credit is the most advertised thing that I've noticed. There's always credit cards.
Yeah.
Like it's always like money. Like it's crazy out here. And it sucks. I mean, I'm almost to the point, guys, where I don't like credit cards. But hey, sometimes you gotta have stuff like that to live. But yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, we live in a country that is ran essentially off credit. Everything is ran off credit, from the house that you buy all the way up to the car that you drive. So, it's just unfortunate that the economy did the turn that it did. But, with channels like ours, we can put you guys in the right direction where we can reverse whatever damage that the economy has done as much as possible, guys.
Yeah, that's what we're here for.
Okay. Guys, leave it in the comment section, credit build, and we will send you that list. Until next time, guys, take care of your credit. Take care of yourself.
All right. Love it.